Discover the top construction technology trends shaping the future of the industry. Stay tuned as we explore the innovations you won't want to miss. Salvos, a renowned family-owned company from Finland, specializes in the design and sale of fully finished wooden homes. Each home is meticulously assembled in their facilities, ensuring a high standard of quality and attention to detail. Their range includes compact models of 30 square meters, ideal for those seeking a cozy space, as well as larger options that can reach up to 4 times that size, perfect for families or those seeking more comfort. What is it that makes this construction technology so special? The staff at Salvos handles every aspect of the construction process, from obtaining the necessary permits to managing the foundation, electrical installation, and glazing. Customers can enjoy a hassle-free experience. The homes are constructed of finished spruce, which not only provides durability, but also allows for a unique blend of modern technology and the country's rich tradition of craftsmanship. As an additional option, customers can request a sauna to add a special touch to their new home. On the day of delivery, they will not only receive their home, but also enjoy a relaxing steam, making every moment in their new space an unforgettable experience. When exploring the available options for working with gravel, we find 2 outstanding systems, Euro-Gravel Plus and Euro-Gravel Pro. Starting with Euro-Gravel Plus, this system is perfect for revitalizing garden paths and private parking areas. Its design consists of hexagonal cells filled with gravel that can support up to 11.8 tons per square meter. This solution is ideal for bicycles and strollers, as it provides a comfortable surface. It also includes a special membrane that prevents weed growth, ensuring minimal maintenance. All of this contributes to making these construction techniques truly incredible, but what is really impressive is that Euro-Gravel Pro stands out for its extraordinary durability. With more robust cells, this system can support up to 340 tons per square meter when filled with gravel. A notable feature is that the walls of the Euro-Gravel Pro are 4 millimeters thick, compared to the 2 millimeter thickness of the Plus system. These characteristics make Euro-Gravel Pro an exceptional choice for applications that require greater strength and robustness. Thus, both systems offer effective solutions, each tailored to different gravel handling needs. The FrameFast system, developed by FastenMaster, offers an innovative solution for the construction of wooden structures. Consisting of only 2 essential components, this system begins with the installation of a guide rail by a professional. A special 15-centimeter fastener is then used, driven by a Torx tap system, to ensure effective assembly. One of the most remarkable features of FrameFast is its speed. Want to frame faster? This method can be completed in significantly less time, up to 5 times faster than traditional methods that require tie-down anchors. It also eliminates the need for heavy tools such as nail guns or compressors, further simplifying the process. The system's design not only maximizes efficiency, but also provides robust corrosion protection for the life of the structure. With its perfectly aligned guide, FrameFast guarantees precise results even on large projects, minimizing the possibility of installation errors. Dr. Fall offers an innovative and effective approach to insulating a wide variety of structures, from cozy single-family homes to large public buildings, and it's even effective in adobe structures. Although the installation process requires considerable effort, the results are impressive. The installation involves placing hot-dip galvanized steel sheets that are 25 centimeters wide and overlap by about 4 centimeters. It's not just about impressive machinery, it's about ensuring a quality that really makes an impact, and that's what makes them unmatched. This meticulous process creates a protective barrier that prevents ground moisture from penetrating the walls, effectively eliminating problems such as dampness, mold, and other structural damage. If the walls already show signs of moisture, the good news is that they're expected to dry out completely within 3 to 4 months. The durability of this solution is another of its strengths, with an estimated lifespan of around 60 years. In practice, however, it often lasts as long as the building itself. Exploring new alternatives in the world of formwork, Geoplast presents its innovative system called GeoSky, characterized by its plastic construction. This solution is perfect for creating slabs, and its assembly process is so simple that it recalls the fun of assembling a giant Lego set. What you end up with is a practical structure that offers multiple benefits. Check out one of the most attractive aspects of GeoSky and its smart design. Thanks to the wedge-shaped beams, some parts of the formwork can be removed just one day after pouring, depending on the specific characteristics of the elements and the type of mix used. This not only speeds up the construction process, but also optimizes the waiting time. In addition, GeoSky is extremely versatile because it uses the same panels as the wall formwork, allowing a wide range of applications in different projects. And let's not forget the lightness of the material. The heaviest component of GeoSky weighs only 11 kilograms, making it easy to handle and transport on site. Precision scanning is essential in the construction industry, and the Lacia BLK ARC robot is an advanced solution for this task. Integrated into the well-known Boston Dynamics robotic dog, this universal scanning module enables meticulous measurements to be performed efficiently. The Leica BLK ARC can operate at a range of up to 25 meters and uses an innovative combination of GNSS and Grand Slam technologies to ensure accurate results. A novelty in construction technology always comes with innovation, and what will really surprise you is its remarkable storage capacity, which can hold scan data for up to 24 hours for later review and analysis. In addition, the module offers a wide field of view of 360 degrees horizontally and 270 degrees vertically, maximizing its ability to capture details in various configurations. When properly set up, the Leica BLK ARC can work completely autonomously, freeing teams from repetitive tasks. It's also compatible with traditional drawings and BIM models, enabling effective and project-specific route planning. Currently, the use of concrete has expanded beyond walls and foundations to become a popular choice for roofs, particularly in Southeast Asian countries. This trend is driven by factors such as high humidity and the presence of insects that can damage wood. In fact, concrete is often used for the pitched roofs of private homes, providing a durable and resilient alternative. Extraordinary, but we haven't even touched on the best, because everything you've heard so far is that in more complex projects, monolithic technologies that incorporate formwork and extruded polystyrene are used to create cavities that enhance the thermal and insulating properties of the roof. This approach not only optimizes the structure, but also contributes to the energy efficiency of buildings. Some may recall the old corrugated cement tiles that were traditionally reinforced with fibrous materials such as asbestos. Although this term evokes past practices, it remains relevant in the context of construction as materials and techniques continue to evolve to meet the current needs of the industry. Kojima Corporation, in collaboration with its subsidiary Temusk, is developing a robotic system for installing suspended ceilings in office buildings. Although currently in the prototype stage, the vision of a well-coordinated robot team is taking shape. This innovative project aims to implement artificial intelligence algorithms that will allow the robot not only to perform their tasks, but also to communicate and share information with each other. To get you even more interested, this data sharing capability will allow them to adjust the installation process based on previous stages, optimizing their efficiency and accuracy. While the robots perform the installation, human workers will monitor the progress of this exciting process that could mark a new chapter in the construction industry. With the integration of robotic technology, the potential to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase workplace safety is becoming a tangible reality. Undoubtedly, this initiative by Temusk and Kojima could be a glimpse into the future of how construction will be done in the coming decades. In the dynamic world of construction, Perry stands out as one of the most recognized manufacturers and suppliers of formwork and scaffolding. With the aim of improving its offer, it has launched an innovative product that promises to change the way scaffolding is managed, the STS-300 model. This transport system was developed in collaboration with Aliac, a leading manufacturer specializing in lifts, elevators, and platforms. The STS-300 is particularly compatible with upscaffolding, making it an invaluable tool on construction sites. But that's not all. What will really surprise you is how these innovative techniques save time and money in the construction process. Capable of lifting loads of up to 300 kilograms to impressive heights of 50 centimeters, this system not only guarantees safety and efficiency, but also optimizes working time. Its operating speed reaches up to 17 meters per minute, allowing a team of workers to install up to 300 square meters of upscaffolding in a single day. This performance not only facilitates fast and effective erection, but also increases the overall productivity on the site. In summary, the Perry Aliac STS-300 not only represents an exciting addition to the Perry product line, but also sets a precedent for how construction teams can optimize their operations, making every project more efficient and safer. Introducing Wall Grip, a bright yellow mesh used in conjunction with aerated concrete blocks to optimize structural reliability in construction. This innovative system not only minimizes cracking, but also increases the compressive and tensile strength of masonry, vital considerations in seismically active regions. The mesh is made of a fiberglass structure coated with a special material that provides stability in acidic and alkaline environments. This coating not only gives it durability, but also gives it fireproof properties similar to steel, thus offering additional protection in case of fire. One of the advantages of Wall Grip is its ease of use. It is easy to cut and does not cause erosion problems in the joints of the blocks. To maximize its effectiveness, it is recommended to install the mesh in every third row, ensuring an even distribution and optimal reinforcement of the structure. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.